Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is America of AmeriAbstracts. If you're new here, hi! I use art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses and to make me forget about it, and so as a result of that I post a new video up here on twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. For today's video I'm using up some old paints and pigments that I've had mixed up for a while, and did a little sunset bloom, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can see further videos from me. And of course, colors are going to be listed in the description, as well as if you want to take the Sheleeart e-course to learn how to do blooms, and ultimately, like, I use the bloom recipe for my swipes all the time and they're freaking amazing. So if you want to learn it, I have my code for 15% off right there. So without further ado, let's get to painting.